So in the box, when you receive your Voice 2, you will find the unit itself, the warranty card, a quick start guide, and a micro USB charging cable. Before you get started, make sure to remove the sticker on the front. Turn on the Voice 2 by pushing up the notch on the left side.
Please enjoy your round with GolfBuddy. Please wait while locating satellites.
And while it's locating satellites, you should proceed to the tee box. To get the center of the green, press the front main button once.
Hole number 462 yards to green center.
And to get the back and the front, hold it down.
Hole number 4 front 61, back 64 yards.
To increase the volume or decrease the volume, press the buttons on the right side. This would increase it, the top button, and the bottom button would decrease it. If you wish to mute the volume, press both the buttons on the right side at the same time. And to unmute, you press the buttons again simultaneously. The default unit of measurement is in yards, but if you wish to change it to meters, you press and hold down the upper right button. And you can tell it's in meters because there'll be an M at the top of the screen. If you wish to change back to yards, hold down the upper right button again. And the M will disappear from the screen. To view the shape of the green and your angle of approach, press the main front button once.
Hole number 463 yards to green.
To measure your shot distances, press the P button on the lower left side.
New mark. Please press and hold the main button to mark your shot.
And to start marking your shot, press down the front main button for 3 seconds.
Position marked.
Once that is pressed, you can walk or drive to your ball. To finish measuring your shot distance, press the lower left P button one more time.
Your shot is 17 yards from the mark.
To manually change holes, press down the front main button and the upper right button at the same time.
Changing to hole number.
Then you could use these buttons on the right side to change the hole number from 1.
2, 3.
And once you get your hole number you want, you can press the main button again to select.
Hole number 341 yards to green.
To flip this screen, you could hold down the left lower P button and the right lower minus button and press them both at the same time, hold down, and the screen will be flipped. This feature is for our accessory line, the belt clip, which will be clipped onto your belt, and you can flip it up and look at it. To change the time setting, press and hold down the lower left P button.
It's 2:05.
And then to change the hours, press and hold down the front main button. Use the buttons on the right side to navigate to the correct time. The minutes are set automatically by GPS satellite, but once you have the hours correct that you want, you can press down the front main button again.
It's 2:06.
The Voice 2 has added versatility with this built-in clip. We have accessories that go along with it that are sold separately. One is a wristband and one is a belt clip. For the wristband, all you do is hook on the clip to the wristband through the slit. So once it's clipped on, you just push it down firmly and then it can go on your wrist as a wristband. For the belt clip, you clip on the clip through the front slit here. Once it's through the slit, you can attach this clip to your pants, your belt loop, your belt. And then once it's on your pants, you can flip it to look up. And this is where the flip screen feature would come in handy. The Voice 2 is defaulted when you get it out of the box to a female voice, but if you wish to change it to a male voice, then you have to connect it to your GolfBuddy manager and make sure that the unit is turned on when you connect it to the computer. And once the connection is established, you could choose the blue button next, and it'll say Voice 2 right here, so you know that your unit is connected to your program. So press next. And down below with all the languages, you could change it. Here is English, and here it says female right now. You could click the drop down button and press M for male, and then you click the blue button next. Once it has completed the update for the male voice, you can unplug the voice tube from your computer and it will automatically restart your voice too. Now you have to manually select the English for the male voice. And it should already be selected because it's the first one. All you have to do is press the front main button once.
Please enjoy a round with GolfBuddy.
And you could hear the new male voice on your unit. To emergency reboot your voice too, make sure that you plug your USB cable into a computer and then press and hold down the P button on the left bottom and the main button. And as you're holding them both down, plug in the micro USB into your unit. And it should flash, and this message should appear on the screen. And once it resumes blinking, that means it has completed the reboot and is now charging. To enter demo mode, turn on your voice too. And when a satellite image appears, press the left P button with the main button at the same time. So with the satellite image, press these two buttons. And now it's entering demo mode.
Please proceed to T-Box. You are on hold number 1.
You can tell that you're in demo mode when the demo flashes underneath the battery.